In this video, I will show you an overview of the Google Classroom platform, and this applies to those using tablets and cell phones. So the first thing we usually do is to try and ensure that we find our classroom. Wherever we put it on our system, that's where it would be. Once you find your classroom, ensure that you're logged in with the correct email address, and to always double check that, you click at the top right hand corner on whether you have an image or the initial of your name. Make sure it is a ministry's email address that you're logged in with. Once you ensure that that is the situation, find the class that you want to go to. Now remember, you're going to be in more than one classroom, so always check your classrooms. So when you go in your classroom now, this is what your system looks like. Down the bottom here, we have what is called stream. In stream, you see where teacher give notices. So this one says, good morning, students. Please remember class begins at 10. You will also see where your teacher would have posted assignments, questions, or posted notes for class. Stream is like the one that gives you update on what is happening. Then now we have classwork. When we click on classwork, this is where you go. You can tap, get your assignments done, tap, get your notes, answer your questions. All of that information is in this section. This is where you go also to not only get them, but also to be able to submit them. Then we have the section that says people. Under people, you see who are the persons in your class. Please note that you will never see your name there. All right, you will only see your class members' name. Now at the top left-hand corner here, we have 3 horizontal lines. On that, you have classes, we have our calendar, you have the classes that you belong to, and most importantly, why I take you to this section is the one that says to do. Now, in the to do section, you will be able to see all the work that is to be done, anything that you have missed, anything that is assigned to you. This is a section where you see all of those work. So you see they have these assignments right here. It says has no due date at all. That means the teacher did not assign any due date. But the others, you see that they have due dates on them. Tells you what time they're due and the date that they are due. This is very important that we understand this. So the students have to check this regular. What they have missing means that they did not submit an assignment to the teacher. It will also pop up there to say that those work are missing, and usually what is missing goes at the top. Then what is done? Once they do an assignment, they can always go back and see that yes, that assignment has been done. So I encourage you to always check your to-do list. If you don't want the confusion with all your classes, because the to-do list will usually show you all your classes, go to your top right hand corner and not the 3 dots. The horizontal lines going across that are decreasing, tap on it, and then you can filter and say which class alone you want to see. So if I click on test run to do, this is all I have to do in this class. If I go and click on the next class, all right, I have all these things to do for the next class, or what I have missing for the next class. So you can filter it to say you want to see all the classes or you just want to see one particular class. The option is yours. All right. So that is how you get a better understanding of your classroom. And this is what the 3 dots there is, just so if you want to refresh or you want to give a feedback to Google. Want to go back to your classes, click on the class that I was in a while ago, and this is just an overview of what the classroom looks like. The next video, I will show you how you get to the section of answering questions and submitting assignments.